सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो है कि हाउ टू रिसेट पासवर्ड ऑफ NPS। गो टू रिसेट पासवर्ड, इंस्टेंट select now generate OTP, enter your PRAN number, date of birth, new password, captcha and then submit. Please make sure that your new password is not matched with the old one. So OTP come and your password will be reset. So this way you can reset your password. So please like, share and subscribe, and if any query, comment, please post in the video description. Thank you.